Hi, I'm Colin, the General Manager over at Spark Cycleworks. Over a year ago, we started production on the Bandit Electric moped. It all started with this rugged custom build that we called the Scorpio. Next, we finalized the design and produced this version in low volume. And now, we're excited to announce the second generation, meant for high volume production. What's up, Erin?
Hey. This generation looks nearly identical to the past, but there are a few key differences. We added new high-quality foot pegs for passengers, a new rear light and turn signals, and installed a horn under the seat. Moving forward, let's take a look at the control box. You'll notice the control box is a bit oversized, but this allows you to use it for your own custom projects or store our new high-quality tool set. Next, let's take a look at the handlebars. We now use BMX bars as a standard, so you can mount a phone or a cup holder to the top of the bar. Mounted in the middle is our new full-color display that has a USB charger. There's also a new compact controller for turn signals, lights, and the horn. Looking at the front, you'll see new turn signals and it's changed to a 12-volt headlight. This change allows you to use any motorcycle headlight that matches your style. The final update was a change to a dropout fork. Normally, this would be a downgrade, but let's pass it over to Teo to see why we did it.
Changing to a dropout fork allowed us to accommodate a dual motor system. Yeah! Traditional e-bikes require a massive control box, a display, brake sensors, a pedal assist, and a bunch of other stuff. Instead, we have simplified everything way down. We shrunk a controller down so it fits in the battery bracket. We removed the display, the brake sensor, and the pedal assist sensor. Let's see how you can mount it to the Bandit. Start by mounting the throttle on the left-hand side of your handlebars, mount the front wheel, connect the motor, turn on the system by just the battery switch, and you're ready to go. And guess what? Even if you don't have a Bandit, that's fine, because we're super happy to announce that this kit is going to work on any 20-inch, fat tire electric bike with a dropout fork.
We're excited to announce we've secured production for 300 more Bandits. The first 50 pre-orders will be shipping out in June, so check out our website to secure yours today because they're not going to last long. Thanks.